Kwentiwa yini Mpephetselo ukuthi sinathi sibe ngazuthi sifuna kudlala irole ku-national politics kanti phela sigadze ukuthi sibe ma-educators sikhulume tindzaba temfundvo eSwatini.
Asangibute nje angingakaphendula I will answer with that one. I think it's one of the questions that I was expecting from you, journalist.
Yeah.
And we have been explaining this thing, but you are not going to tire explain because our duty as teachers is just to explain and clarify things. Uputile kufika namuhla manje sesibhekana zabadoted private yini lekwende waphuta kufika petrol lo petrol ubanga yini kuphela timbi letkhona timbi tibonga yini ma politics. You see those things. And then who are the affected people now? On the ground. I'm trying to say there is no way unawuphila emhlabeni you are going to avoid and shun away from politics because politics control economy and economy controls directly you. It affects you. Angiyathi nale straight off Hamas le holy war le liwaletu angiyoke ngifike futhi but it is affecting us here in Swaziland. And now that's ke wena ngisesikoteleni mina angathi uthi kwenzakalana ngelelani ukuthi kwenzakalana utawushayeka phasi bese sengithi ke why kubonakala noma nima journalists ni view esinathi ngazuthi nalabanye labakhulumende ba viewers nathi ngazuthi manje ukhuluma ipolitiki and all the stuff